I love red velvet cakes.
But are you doing that?
Why you pulled the video here? I thought you jumped off in the river.
Well, are you tired?
Whatever. At least I knew you're not going to waste your accident anyway. But anyway, it is time to start to kick a stage. So let's see which one of the teams skating will be on for the game.
Lay. Ooh, Beaver Lee.
Alright, you guys failed my challenge for not getting the PJ Maxx book. So it's time to see which one of you is going away.
Going away? That's like a ransom note.
It's not. But Bubble Stick, what are you doing here? You're on the other team. Ah! Green Plano, corn. We ain't not. No, they didn't vote for you. So I guess you guys are safe as well. You know, by one video, you gotta vote someone else away. Right, reach the vote higher so we can be more measured for the next time. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's time to see what you will be eliminated for this game. Skady, you receive 476 votes. Oh, right! Is that the most? No, it's a fifth. Oh. The record we see was 707,497 votes.
Whoa, that's a lot.
Yeah, you tell me.
Is I'm safe?
Now, we have to wait. I change this the next one safe at 546 votes. Shut up. Next is safe. The next contestant safe is the Brad this thing. Brad Watch will save at 706 votes.
I'm not stupid. I just don't think right.
Dun. Stop dying.
Okay.
Remount, you're safe with 809 votes. Yay! Stairs, your next one safe at 942 votes. Thank you, please. Wait, the vote for me? Why? Good thing, but don't worry, you're the next one safe at 976 votes.
Yay!
Now we're down to this thing and the other. So we get the most votes. Let's see.
Oh God, this is so scary. I don't want to be eliminated.
So too bad. Let's see. Tunnel and save 1,474 votes. He's barely staying in the game. The sock is eliminated with 1,568 votes. He's eliminated. Just barely. I can't believe it. People voted out for me? Why? Well, I gotta tell you something. The personality, they don't care about it no more.
I can't believe the people would have voted for me. I just don't want to be seen.
Okay, I'll flip you to the TLC. Alright, it's time to start the next challenge. First, I'll toss there to our firework. Wait, what? Oh! He's flying in Irma's ear. If you don't get him back, you'll be out for elimination. No stars. But first, I need pepper full of football for our victims. Because one had to sit out.
Oh no.
Ouch! Yeah, that's what I thought.
Oh no, how are we gonna get him down? We have no tools or nothing to get him down. Don't worry, I'll get him. Cause I'm the bravest.
Go, Skater! My biggest brother who don't let me do anything alright.
Skate, as a big brother like me, you have to be cool. Oh no!
Oh
no, now we have to catch them both too.
Wait for me.
Ah! 4. Hey, you forgot about me.
Ah!
Oh my god. There's only 3 of us here. And now on our team, what are we gonna do? We need to find a way to get in the bed. But how? We need to think of some ideas. Guys, what are you gonna do? If they fly our asses here, you'll be up for elimination. Elimination, special elimination. What? You saying you don't wanna do the challenge? He's kind of right, because we do everything by ourselves, so it's time for us to take a break. Break, yeah. No, not take a break. I just rejoined last episode, and we died in a Italian. That's enough for your attitude, Corn. Yeah, I can eat you right now, but you're my best friend, so I don't want to do that. Oh my God, he's not getting it. I think we should throw it up and blow me up instead.
You want to do a hashtag?
Probably me. Hashtag. I can't believe this. On the rockets flying out of our atmosphere. Don't let me hold that way. You have more fear than Fisher. So you just hold my hand really longer.
Yeah, mine too.
What? What are you guys doing here? We grabbed onto on your leg, Skater. I grabbed onto a gray box leg. She don't even get it. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna fly our atmosphere. Well, too bad anyway, because we're out of space. We are out of our atmosphere. So where are we heading?
I don't know.
Look over there. It's a black hole. We're flying straight to it. Help us, please. Please. Wow. Ah. Oh no. It's getting dark already. We'll never find them. If they go on the Earth atmosphere, they'll be dead forever. Ever.
And we won't be able to come on back. So hurry up, people. Hurry up. We need someone who knows about technology.
I know who knows about technology. Who's that? Remote, that turtle head. She always thinks we had to do. Come on, girls. We have to do our thing.
Okay.
Remote.
What is it?
We need your help. Our friends that get on the Earth atmosphere. Do you know what they are?
I can tell you, but you must keep it secret.
Shut up already.
Alright,
Tell us already.
alright. First, they rock you turn on the atmosphere. Atmosphere right here, this. Enter space. And Earth.
Wait, where are we?
In the grasslands. Right here.
Right there?
Yes, there.
I never thought about that.
So what are you having? After you get on the Earth atmosphere, they're heading right through that black hole.
Dun.
What's a black hole? Black here is a dark like abyss. It to suck you up, and it will lost all your recovery and memories, and you will never see them again.
No! All our team members are gonna die up there. We have to get them. We'll be up for elimination.
I could teleport there.
Here.
Wanna ride?
Sure. What? Remote just left us again. Well, you do want to see her hashtag or more. Here. Hey. Who want to do another hashtag?
Boss.
Hashtag. I know that's hashtag. Oh my God! We're almost to the sun, guys. Down, young. Oh no! Whoa! Yes, we got you. Thank you. Please. Uh-oh.
Second, it's gonna be 10 o'clock. The Bible start. What do they go? The brain start. Where they gonna lose the challenge? Whoa! Team Mountain win.
Oh, we lost.
Well, this is 4th of July. You got him down, but his part was for the explode fireworks.
What are you talking about?
Fireworks is present for the exploding into a million pieces.
I love to see this action.
Wait, I have to get her out.
Dun 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 dun. Why you?
Stop, get off her! Let's wait for the what? Yep, it never failed. Oh! You can tell my me at that.
Voters, Team Skating must walk, but this is your chance to vote who will be eliminated. Like, vote on the regular people we see right here. You can see Corn, Tunnel, Green Play-Doh, Skatey, Red Block, Remote, this guy, Serious, and Watch. Whoever gets the most votes can lead the show. So, this is another remake of episode 10, Battle for Women Dolls again. Right. My original son, Joel, lead my 4 videos. My 5 videos that upload on that channel. Episode 9, episode 10, episode 11, episode 15, and 16. But I'm gonna revise the video for you, so you guys to watch. But thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, voting ends July 9th. Let's go.
Oh, my head! It hurts so bad. Are you okay? I don't think you're ill.
I know I'm not ill, cause you're throwing it in the middle of pieces and trying to stick me out the blender.
I heard that.
Shut up already. Anyway, I don't feel like living on Earth no more.
Come on, you need to survive more games. That's your choice.
I don't know about that.
Come on, do it for us.
Okay. I'm tired of this. I'm gonna kill.
I lied to you. You could skip the key stuff too.
Remote, Mom, when you do that for me, I'm gonna kill you. But the release.